It's really wonderful to be back here in Reykjavik and to be part of this very special Christmas concert, Jólagestir. Last year, I told you that that every time I come to Iceland, I'm so impressed by how you've managed to build such a first-class modern society despite all the challenges nature throws at you. And the explanation, well, that I thought was the explanation, must be that you inherited some very good genes from ancient Norwegians. Yes. Well, I've been thinking a little bit about that. When I compare Iceland with what's happening in Norway, where more than 10 times many people live, I think it might actually be accurate to say that you built this fantastic country despite some old genes from Norway. Yeah. Yeah. But still, there must be something Norwegian in you. Because when I come here, I start speaking Norwegian to almost everyone I meet. It probably has something to do, you know, how close our historical background, that we have very much in common, historical-wise. But maybe those genes have an effect at all, at least on me. Because I feel home. Yes, I do. So thank you for welcoming me. The next song I'm going to sing is I Rest My Eyes. And this song could actually as well be written here in Iceland as it has been written at home. It is about sitting outside, late at night, looking up at the stars, alone, longing for your loved one. And when you sat there together.
Starry night, stars all can see, such shiny light. The stars above, so far away. I close my eyes and see the day when you were here with me. I saw you smile so tenderly, with eyes like stars, all shining bright. You whispered, please hold me tight. Come hold me now. Come back to me. Let's leave it all
like to welcome Hugni.